Okay, we're rolling, Magenta. So we're going to talk about this. You're a dancer. What kind of dancing do you do?
We do ballroom.
Ballroom.
And a thing called round dancing, which is ballroom to a cure that makes everybody step on the same foot at the right time. Or the right foot at the same time.
You don't step on each other's feet, do you?
Oh, yes, we do step on each other's feet.
Okay, so this is like the lady steps on the man's foot and then you walk together? How cool.
Yeah, no, we're not supposed to step on each other's feet, but we do.
But you do a lot of that, okay.
We do.
And so as a result of the... Okay, so everybody, this is Magenta, and you're looking at the right hip. And by I say hip, this is the actual hip joint, not the pelvis up here, right? This is the hip. Everybody gets those mixed up, right? So this is your hip. This is the hip bone, okay? And we have the infratrochanteric bursa, and we have the supratrochanteric bursa, okay? And so the inferior bursa is not tender, but you're very tender at the superior bursa.
Okay, I will take your word for it.
And we have done this before. It was about 3 or 4 years ago we had to do this, right?
And it worked.
It worked for a long time. So we're going to do this again for you today. We're going to use a cc of 4% or 4 milligram of dexamethasone and a cc of 1% plain lidocaine. I've got Gumby Jean working to make that up for us right now. So, have you recently been dancing? Is that what's...
Yes.
Okay, all right.
This is the Christmas season, and so we do a lot of dancing.
Would you like to share your age with our viewers?
Sure. I am 73 years old.
73 years old and absolutely beautiful and wonderful and wearing a beautiful Christmassy skirt there that's kind of off view, but that's okay. Very pretty, very pretty. I thought it was handmade at first. When you first came in, I thought for sure that was a handmade.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. No.
So what we're going to do is we're going to make a little injection right in there, and we're going to get into the bursa, and we're going to get the medication in there, and we're going to do our thing. So what do you want from Santa Claus this year?
Peace in the family.
Peace in the family. Let's start with easy goals. Not world peace. Peace at home.
Peace at home.
Yeah, I love it. That's fantastic. Absolutely fantastic.
No, we're a happy family, and we are happy to be coming to see you for the last 12 years.
Been a long time, hasn't it?
I think we've been coming to see
That's our spot right there, right?
Nope.
That's not the spot? You have a... You know, what you have is you have a little skin spot there that makes it look like that's our spot. Mm-hmm. Here's your spot right there, right? Okay, here's the hip joint. I know we made a dimple. Is it right? Oh, we better re-find it.
Higher, higher, higher. You're getting there towards the back. Right here.
Right in there is where you're feeling it. Right there. I think that was our spot.
I think so. Yeah.
Right there?
Oh, right.
Yeah, that's where we did it. That's our spot. We were in the right place.
Okay.
Okay, let's make sure our camera is still totally, we're still G, okay. Did you finish your Christmas shopping?
Almost.
Uh-huh.
I hadn't even started.
So what did you bring me?
Our church adopts a family every year. Our class actually adopted a family.
That's awesome.
And we had fun buying bicycles and games and toys and...
How many people in the family?
This family has 6.
More? Or you got it?
So a big family.
Big family, lots of kids, one special needs. So we had a good time buying for people that seriously need it.
Mm-hmm.
Half dose like you asked.
Thank you.
You're welcome. She asked for a half dose because last time she went from Mrs. Claus to Mrs. Grinch.
I hear that's who decorated for you.
And now
yes.
Magenta?
Well, you know the DW loves the Grinch. My darling wife. She loves the Grinch. All right, Magenta, what you're going to do tonight is about an hour before you go to bed, I want you to ice this for about 20 minutes.
Okay.
Do it about an hour before bedtime. Then tomorrow, the steroid portion of this injection should really work well for you, okay? And you're awesome. Thanks for letting us video your procedure. You don't mind if we video your procedure,
No,
Miss
I
Magenta?
don't care at all.
Oh, okay.
Just get the job
Well,
done.
I hope it works great for you, and Merry Christmas.
Thank you, Doc.
Hey folks, you spoke and we listened. Here's what you had to say about Meta 7.
I love it so much. It gives me so much energy during the day. I've noticed a change in my hair, my nails, my blood pressure.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina.
And it could actually help you lose weight.
Now, I haven't taken a nap in 6 months.
That's right, Meta7. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Weight loss, more energy, and generally feeling more alert during the day. Let's hear more.
I used it to help wean myself off caffeine and energy drinks, and my productivity has been very high lately.
It's natural, it's amazing. I feel motivated to get out and do things that I didn't before.
I'm not tired during the day. I've worked 12-hour shifts.
Just go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it. And take it. It's wonderful stuff.
If you haven't tried Meta7 yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There's an Amazon link in the description.